Hey, so yeah, we're back. We're going to try Pony to get the database ready because it seems like the developers did a decent job at making sure that it works for the use case that interests me, which is right now just creating a user database. Okay, I want to stop the server and do a pip install Pony. Wait, there is an integration. Should I actually do Flask Pony? No, just Flask login. Okay. There is no specific Flask Pony module that you can package rather that you can download. So let's do this. Okay, that was quick. Must be quite small. Okay, so from Pony ORM import star. Let's restart the server. Yeah. Okay. I want all the database code to be elsewhere for start, so let's call it like this, and then okay. You can work with several databases, okay. Each entity belongs to one database, obvious. The show function. Okay, and they're explaining the ID, okay. This is really a beginner-friendly tutorial. Just amazing. Not gonna lie, the doc is fantastic. Okay, let's create the database file. Oh wait. Okay. You know what? Oh, okay. This is an adapter, okay. PyMySQL, okay. I wonder what is CockroachDB. I do not know this database. That can be fun. Ah. Yeah. I'd love to see the statements set. But I just comment it afterwards. Okay, so I can just do this and commit. Okay. So no, I cannot do that. DB session. And you can query right away? With only this code you can query? Interesting. And those are... should be required. The email will be required eventually. So I need a registration form. So to get a user, I can just do this. Okay. This creates a query object. Wait, you do this, you slice it to what? Okay, slice operator and you get... Oh, okay, that's the query and this is the result. Okay. Limit by 2. Okay. And then show you get... I mean, I really like what I'm seeing there. Today, you see the query that is being sent to the database and the result. This is fantastic. Fantastic design. Okay, and here you can get the query and use for in. So this means you get a generator or something. Oh, okay, so that's the primary key. Okay. Otherwise you use get and you tell which attribute. Okay. Only the primary or unique key stays in the cache. And you have to commit. Oh, okay. And you can work without entities. You choose just database and you send the query like this. Okay. I really like what they did. Simple, straight to the point, no bullshit. Oh, okay, a timestamp for the last time the user was online. Okay. I need to import that time. Yes, okay. Oh, wait. There is a flask here. Oh, wait. There is this. Okay. So they built the whole thing that is ready to work with Flask without installing anything. That's genius. It should be separated, but to get adoption, it makes a lot of sense. Obviously, if you're not going to use Flask, you have dead code in the project, but it seems obvious that the people who want to use Flask are going to want a small ORM like Pony instead of SQL Alchemy anyway, so that's a very smart decision, I think. Okay, so Flask, Pony Flask, import Pony. What is this? Ah. I feel like doing no. Let's put the imports here. Where's the login manager? Oh, they do the DB session automatically? Interesting. Oh, wait, you have a DB entity with a user mixin? Interesting. Login password. Unique. I don't. Okay. Config pony. Oh, this configuration is passed to the bind method. Okay. And generate mapping. But I want this. Oh, and then the login manager is invoked here. Ah. And the user loader is here. Man, that's really straightforward and easy to understand. That's brilliant. I hope it works. Yeah, current user.friends. That's exactly the code that I need. That's incredible. As if they were trying to do the same app as me, we created this framework. Oh, what's this example about? I completely... okay. Yeah, the thing that I didn't want to see. But okay. If I need to see a working Flask application, I can download this. There's a JavaScript folder here. Yeah, I don't know what that is. And I don't want to care. Maybe it's some backend code for Node.js instead of Flask. I don't know. It's just too hot. So Okay, they did it differently here. They pass the app directly like this. Do I really want to do that? I don't know. I guess you get all the configuration in one place, so kind of makes sense like this. Why do you use like... Oh, yeah, because secret key is like this, so... I don't see why they're using capital letters. It's too hot, I need water. I already chose the file name, but I don't remember. Oh yes, it was... That's what the file name was. So this I can delete. Oh wait, I need this guy. So I believe the user mixin is going to give me all those fields, authenticated, active, anonymous. So I don't need to implement this anymore, and the logic cube user will be created here, so that code is gone. Again, I need okay, should work. Let's check the code again. Unique égale true. Oh, should I require a different username? Yeah. Because let's say same email, two different usernames. I don't want that. Same username, two emails. I don't want that. I want one username, one email. Anything that makes sense to me. What's wrong with you? Never closed? That's what you mean? You happy now? Something is not right. Why am I using equal? It's not equal. Oh, sorry. DB is not defined. Huh. Oh, the DB is there. Okay, let's move this up here. Oh, okay, that's why. I get it now. I'm missing these two lines. Okay. Oh, so we got get new connection, release, get connection from the local pool, pragma for NK files, begin immediate transaction commit for NK stroke, and yeah, WSGI, okay. Cannot define user, database mapping has already been generated. So we get the file here. I am confused. Does it mean that this line is too late? I should create this before I do generate mapping? Doesn't seem right to me. I need to change this. Okay, I need some time, I think. Oh, here it is, the user loader. So is it how it is? It seems like it is like this. I still don't understand this string path here. I know it's from a Stack Overflow response, but I need to read the documentation on this. Okay, this here. Let's not worry about it now. I don't know. Oh, wait. What do you mean? One time he's saying mapping has already been generated, and then the next time he says mapping is not generated. Dude, you have to know what you want. I'm creating a user and an attribute is missing? Are you crazy? Username is there, password is there, email is there. So you mean required cannot be empty? Are you serious? No, that's not it. No, DB session is required when working with the database. Okay. I have this to do also. Oh, come on. New connection, release, get connection from the pool, foreign key, blah blah, select user, username, user password, user email, last login. From user, where 0 equal 1. What? Commit. Close connection. Why is 0 equal 1? This happens here. Oh, okay, I get it now. I don't remember where I saw that. Must have been in the previous page. Oh, it's db_session, okay. I'm not even writing this properly. Almost worked. Commit, close, insert into user, username, password, email. What? Oh, okay. He's doing this and then he's putting the values here. Rollback, release. Why rollback though? Object cannot be stored in the database. Why? Unique constraint failed. User email. Okay. Just destroy the database file like this. And it's going to be recreated and the password is going to be empty anyway. Oh my god, password is required? Damn, it's so persistent. Damn. You know what? So now I have a user, right? Let's try the login. Oh, I don't have a login button anymore. I will type it here, I guess. Obviously it doesn't work. Secret key is required. So the secret key is not initialized. I thought this would do it. Do I need to do this? Okay. Oh, I get access now. Am I logged in? Looks like I am logged in. Let's see. Only way to know if I'm logged in is to do user. Looks like I am logged in because... Oh, there is no login required. Okay, I thought there was... So I need to do this. Yes, it works. Oh, the name is one? What? That's not the name. Wait. Okay, let me check. Oh, for the name I put the ID. That's why it's the way it is. Okay. That's the code. Yeah, the ID is one. Okay. It's kind of really bad that you get an exception when you cannot create a user. So the server just blows up. Even though it's a development server, it's really bad that it kills the server. I need a try block or something, I don't know. Okay, so we did some database integration here, which is really good. What is not good is that we need all the classes, and I don't want to put them in the main file here. So what I'm going to do is change this file to the schema, but should I call it mapping? I'm not used to database mapping. Yeah, I don't like this. You call it mapping because it's a relational mapper, but for me it's just a schema because the database is created from this file. So, oh no, I need user mixin now. Damn it. Really annoying. It's not really a problem, but And the DB. Damn, can I actually do this? The DB object is here and it's required there. Oh my god, this is so bad. And I use the DB here too. That's really painful. I don't want to declare the whole database in the file here. And if I try to work around that, it's going to be more pain than necessary, so... Oh, here I need to select... I don't know. Like modeling the modeling the data is just something that I like. I don't know why. I started my engineering career as a database guy, building client-server applications, so I've not done that in a long while. I'm just happy to do it again for some reason. Link resource and tags. I'm gonna set like this, yeah. And tag this is a sets. I just need to put the name, so that will be tag. But actually I can have the tag be there instead. So this will be like this, maybe. I can pass the class directly, right? Yes, I can pass the class directly, so a set of tags. So I need to create a tag and then a link can have multiple tags, and then I need water, excuse me. Ouais. We needed a break here. We are... Oh, that's only 1 hour? Gosh. So a link has multiple tags and a tag. A tag has a type. I want to have like tags between links and tags that define the link, or I don't know how to say this. But let's say two links can be related by a concept or idea, but maybe it's not necessary. Because if you tag the link, it's already tagged, so you can just filter on the tag and see what's there. Title. This does not have to be unique. I have an issue here that the string is a character limit. No, that's not the limit that I want. I don't want to deal with an infinite string for the link. I cannot trust the user, so... I'm not going to be happy if they don't have a way to restrict the length of a field. Max string length, that's what I want. Okay, just add something at the end. Okay, so it becomes a varchar or something. So here we want the link 256. Should be 255, honestly. But okay, let's go with 256, whatever. Title, same thing. 64 actually. A title cannot be that long. Like 64 is already almost a full line. So if you have a title that big, something is wrong. Here's a tag, same thing. I mean, 32 should be enough. Don't need gigantic tags. Like 32 is already this big. And yeah, that's a lot of characters. Going to 16 would be a bit restrictive. So username. Oh, whoa. Unique username. I never thought about that. Can you do a unique username with 32 characters? Obviously you can. And 16 is enough for the password. Email is 64, you don't need more. Most real people will not have an email bigger than this. Reverse attribute for string not found. What is it saying? What? Are you serious? I cannot find where the problem comes from. Oh, you mean that's what it wants? This is dumb. I should not be forced to add this. A link can have multiple tags, but the tag doesn't need to have a link. not happy. What is his problem? That's the problem. I'm really not happy about this decision to force a reverse attribute there. Always two ends. I don't like that decision. This is dumb. Because my tag here does not necessarily have a link. Okay, I put it optional, but this is stupid. Maybe it's not actually stupid, but I think it's stupid. Until it cascade dime, I've not seen such statements in a very long while. Create table. Okay, so that's the table that makes the join between link and tag. Okay, I can live with that. Now the issue is as I work with the system, unauthorized. I'm not logged in. Okay, I was not logged in. Oh, I'm not logged in. I didn't type a password. Yes, I'm still a ghost. Okay. Now I should be logged in. Still a ghost? Why? Oh, I didn't run that query here. So what db select? No, wait. I can write select directly, right? Inheritance, really? Oh my god, okay. You can add properties like this? Okay. I really like what they did. Much better than SQL Alchemy. Much better. Show me the query. Show me a query. Okay, select. I should have roles like oh, there is a count here. Nah, I don't like it. What bothers me is I don't know. It feels like the first auto-index value is 1, and I haven't read anything about it. I should always use the string here. I can just download the database creation string like this. This is really great. Wait, does it insert? No. Oh no, 0 equal 1. I really don't understand why they do this. Oh, create index, really? Oh, there is another index here. So indexing is done automatically. Oh, it's user role, not role user. Link tag is correct, but role user is bad. So I guess there is an order in which you do things. No, he keeps doing the same mistake here. I don't see the roles there. Should I do this? I don't think it changes anything. Yeah. He's never going to change the way he names the things. I don't see the roles here. Obviously, the information belongs in this table, but yeah, I'm an idiot. I'm expecting to see it here, but it belongs there, so. What's wrong with the music now? Go to the next one, maybe? What's wrong with it? I have no idea why it stopped suddenly. Alright. Tuple index out of range. Wow, okay. I didn't expect this one. How is this possible? I'm just doing a select here. Oh, I can do it like this instead? Looks like it works better. Oh, there was a commit here. I don't know how this happened, but okay. Seems like the database is in a good state, so oh, how do now I need the role. Oh, damn. As a role, you can be... Okay, I disabled autoplay. I don't know how this happened. But can you put it back on? Please? What is the shortcut for autoplay? I don't know. But it should be on now. Okay, so... Oh... Is it expecting a lambda? Hmm. Wait. Okay, it's because it's empty. Hmm. Damn, the same error. What does this mean? Trip index out of range, and I have no idea why. I just want to know if the table has been populated. That's all I want to know. Why is it so complicated? Yeah, that's not what I want. Oh, wait, what? Exist? Do you have any? I want to select star. Okay. Oh, I can do a count like this? Okay, select count star. That's what I want. Still doesn't work. Can I do something like... oh, okay. I see it here. Object role has no attribute count. Okay, I'm pissed off. Oh, inside the query. Okay. I don't get why he's complaining about this. And it's indexed out of range, so I have no way of figuring out what he's complaining about. I just want this, like... It's not perfect, but I don't know. Oh wait, how do I add a role here? This is useless. I declare the relationship, but how do I add items in the relationship? What? Car set? Okay, okay. Owner none, okay. And this is how I establish it? So you mean to do like... Wait. If it's a set... I don't want... Okay, collections. Remove. Okay, it's add. Okay. Oh. Int got string. Is that going to work better? Auto commit mode. Insert into role user values free one. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay. Except we want the admin to be number one. Oh, wait. No. user. Ah, yeah. Or you don't have a role anyway. Okay. That should be good enough. I wanted to think about groups. So when people create a channel, but maybe that's too much to think about right now. Even moderation is too much. Let's delete this and add the link here. Needs to be like I will use 16, but I don't need this much. Nah. Do I create visibility or do I only need like is public as a boolean? Oh yes, I need visibility because you can have a link that you make public or just to your friends or just private to yourself. So that's 3 levels. Okay. Oh, I need a self-referential relationship. Self-reference is what I need. And I need the reverse, that's it? Okay, that's friend. Set reverse equal friends. Symmetric many to many. That's what I need, right? every time it blows up in my face. Every single time. Reverse not found? What do you mean? It's right there. Oh my god, so annoying. The most annoying with this tag trace here is that it throws an exception with a message, but I don't see the message. I see the stack trace, but the message that reverse attribute for whatever the attribute may be here, I don't get that. Oh, there is the message. It's because it's in purple. Reverse attribute for link visibility not found. Okay. Damn. It's not a set. Damn, this is weird. This is a reference table. Okay? So it should not have a reverse. If there is something bad about this framework, Pony, is that this is the reference table and this should not exist. If I don't want to, I should not have to create this reverse relationship here. Obviously, it's better because when you do queries, you can query whatever you want, but it makes zero sense. in like, if I am a database administrator, I would never do that. User 2, okay. User friends, okay. It's indexed. I kind of like that is automatically creating the index and the on-delete cascade. Oh, integer not null references visibility. So, okay, that's a foreign key on the visibility here with an ID and a varchar name. Okay. I guess what I really want is to have a table that tells me the database information. So I need like a version, that's an int, right? Do I want to write all of this? No. Oh, DB info exists actually. Oh wait, if it exists in a IBM documentation, it should exist into SQLite master. SQLite sequence too. Okay, so there is master, temp schema, temp master. Yeah, I don't think I want to deal with that, so I will be going with my DB info setup here. And after I do all this, I do with DB session. Oh, wait, I could have a version table instead. Much easier. If the version is not filled, then... Oh, I have another problem here. Actually... Okay, major, minor... Okay, the version number should be a string anyway, so... Something like this. And then... I don't need the other field because if it's empty, that should be enough. If this table is not properly filled, then there's no need to go anywhere further. So the problem is how to query it. I just want a blank select. Okay. 2 hours, another 45 minutes, and I'll stop. Alright, let's go. So this I don't know how to write it the way I want to. What I want is a select. That's all I want. And then a count here. But I can also go with... Yeah, but if I do 1 and it doesn't exist... Can I do the ID thing if... Can I do this? I run count here. Oh, I made a mistake here. Cache should jump backward. What are you saying? Unsupported instruction, cache and jump backward. That's so cryptic, dude. I mean, if I do this, I get this again. Tuple index out of range. I have no idea why it does that. I want a select star, that's all I want, select star. Is it so difficult? Oh, I found a workaround. What did he do? VID is not null. Okay. So that was not so difficult after all. Did it insert the data? I don't feel like the data was inserted, so... I can have... Okay, let's reverse some count here. Oh, wait. Okay, now it's inserted. Okay, good. Insert into version 1.0, admin supporter, and the admin account is created. Execute many, okay. Role user, so I get the admin role, and that's pretty good. Okay. So this is I like this solution that I chose. Unfortunately, I need an interface to populate it from the website itself. So there, I need to go back here. Actually, I'm logged in. Okay, I'm logged in. this endpoint, I have to think about it. I think I need a break. I wanted to do more, but it's not a wise choice. After implementing a user login with the database and getting all those features in, I should just go to Git and see that I make a commit there. So this is principally the navigation. But I have new files also. Wait. Ah yes, I have all the routes and stuff. What is this? Oh yes, that's the emoji for the header stuff, the warning, seat under construction. Navigation as trailing space here. Yes, and I changed the indentation, so first we are going to fix navigation there. Remove that space and then for the header do the same. Going to do this. Should be good enough. Or should we do this? Should be perfect now. And just to be sure, we're going to do a make. Okay. Okay, looks good to me. And now we are going to... I really love that the database is working. I really like that. So, oh, design documents. I will make a design folder. Alright, so now the public is empty. I should delete it. It doesn't matter, Git doesn't care. And this is nice. Yeah. Updating the design doc, not now. Oh yes, I need to worry. No, I don't need to worry about the database right now. And the register form here. Why is it missing? Oh, because the repository is for the front end only. This is bad. I need to move the repository up. So I will make the commit and move the repository one stage up because I need accept the PyCache, but I need the forms here, I need the app here, the login here, I need everything, so yeah. So this is for the front end. That's all there is to say about it. Okay, now should I move the make file to? I don't think so. That's a tough proposition. A different repo for the front end and the back end. I need to ask people about this. Okay. This answer is terrifying. Separating the repos is complicated. Also, I'm working alone, so I don't need to separate stuff, but everybody says keep things together. Also, if you change the backend, the frontend need to evolve most of the time to match, so moving the repo up should be the right thing to do. So MV. Oh wait, maybe I want to make a commit just for moving up. Yeah. Okay, there is no build artifact here. So now everything is renamed, so that's easy. And then I can add the other files in another commit. So okay, and then we can do I want to make file to archive the PNGs and other assets, I suppose. Yeah, I will think about it later. Obviously, I don't save the database here, so okay, I never use VS Code, so you can go to L, VS go to L. DS Store, I don't remember who is using that, but yeah, all this crap can go to L. I don't have this, yeah, I don't have that crap. Log files. Why? We don't have log files. Is putting the log files into my home directory, so wait. Okay. I'm happy with that. What's the name of this framework again? Such a weird name. Pony, yes. Okay. That should be enough. 242. Not bad, not bad. Next time we finish, well, we make progress on the workspace. I don't think we will finish. And we need to continue modeling the database and making sure everything works. And why I want to take a break is because I need to fetch, or rather I need a REST API to insert links into the database, and I need the front end to allow me to make insert into the database also. So I'll do that, and then that will be it. If I can get this feature correct, that will be nice. Yep. Alright, let's commit this, and then we are done for this episode. Stop the server.